credit reports, credit scores, it's a bit of an anomaly to most people, but it is obviously really, really important when you're applying for a mortgage or any form of credit generally these days. It's generally less about the credit score as such. That's generally not the most important thing. It's actually your payment history, your credit history that they're generally looking at. Obviously, if you've got missed payments, CCJs, defaults on your credit profile, they can impact the kind of interest rate you get on lending. But in many, many instances, you can still obtain finance, still can obtain a mortgage. It's just about obviously making sure that you're aware and your broker's aware of obviously the details that are in that credit report. But the other thing we're seeing a lot of at the moment is people having errors on their credit report, things that shouldn't be there, and only finding those out at the point that we want to apply for a mortgage. Now, sorting out a problem or sorting out an error on a credit report can be a timely process. So if you're trying to apply for a mortgage and there's an error on there that you need to get corrected, it could take weeks or sometimes months to solve that. So what we advise to all clients and all people generally is to monitor your credit history. We're going to put a link in the post which gives you access to checkmyfile.com. That checkmyfile.com report gives you the 3 main credit reference agencies that lenders use when assessing whether to lend to you or not. And you can get that all in one report. They give you a 30-day free trial. Obviously, even if you just want to test it out and make sure it's accurate now and cancel it before you have to pay any money, you can do that. More advisable obviously is just to continue with that as a monthly payment. It's usually between £10 and £15 a month depending on circumstance, and then you can maintain looking at that credit profile and make sure it's accurate. So when you do come to arrange any form of finance, whether that's car, mortgage, loans, credit cards, you know obviously your credit report inside out, and also you know what is on there at the time that you're applying, because when you're applying it's not in real time on your credit report. It's usually 6 to 8 weeks behind real time. So what is your balance on your credit card, for example, today on your credit report will be what it was 6 weeks ago in a lot of instances. So it's always good to keep tabs on that if you've got any form of finance in your life, and as I say, the link is in the description.